Hello friends, and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to change your poster size on Canva. So guys, open any random poster size, for example this one, and after that click customize this. After that guys, wait to loading this page, and all you have to do guys, what you have to do from here, click this element from here and click resize this option from the top right corner, and from here click customize this size. And after that guys, what you have to do, click just customize the size and write your size, width and height and unity. From example 50, I want to add 50 and 60. As you can see here guys, you see this new size from here, this icon, and click just copy this size. And after that, wait to design take a little longer guys. As you can see here, this is my new resizes, and just click this one and you will change your size successfully. As you can see here, if you want to complete this image, just drag here, as you can see here guys, and I will resize my new poster successfully without any problems. So guys, this is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question.